Hi guys, happy Halloween! Just thought I'd insert this quick intro before we jump into the art. I went a little overboard with the editing and the selection of music and made this one kinda creepier than I expected. I did not need to be this extra, but here we are. So, two fair warnings here. One, this video might be frightening and or disturbing to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. And 2. This video contains fast flashing images. It may cause discomfort and trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised. Safety first. Okay, you still here? Are we good to go? Okay, enjoy. So anyway, here is the finished result. Hope that wasn't too scary. I know I'm a little late with the Halloween content, but it took more than I expected to draw and edit it all. I wanted to make a whole sketchbook spread with some iconic horror characters, so I picked Pennywise from It, Samara from The Ring, the Demogorgon from Stranger Things, and Ghostface from Scream. I wanted to draw Samara exiting the TV screen and the Demogorgon crossing through a portal from the upside down. So my concept was to make the middle of my sketchbook serve as a border for both of them and to draw them sort of parallel to each other. This also meant that I wanted to bring some of their respective creepy light sources, which I highlighted using a light blue gel pen for Samara and the red one for the Demogorgon. And of course, a bit of that portal light should be reflected on Pennywise and Ghostface as well. Hope you liked it. I make all sorts of art related videos here. Sometimes they're relaxing and chill, sometimes I like to think they're funny, and occasionally I try to go spooky, as you could see. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya!